Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we are going into winter, I thought it appropriate today to touch on foods that we actually require to boost our immunity for the upcoming cold in the winter season. So what does our body actually need? Do we have extra requirements for winter? Do we go on eating as we normally do? So yes, we do need to increase our immunity because, as you know, we are all prone to colds and flu, and with the change of season, a lot of people who suffer with allergies or sinusitis experience quite severe bouts of allergic reactions, so be it a runny nose or a postnasal drip or a cough. Now what it is, or can the foods we eat help this in any way? So today, what I have here on the table are foods that are very rich in vitamin C. Now, why vitamin C? So if you look what I have here on the table, I have tomatoes, I have a nachi, I have an orange, I've got kiwi, and I have broccoli. Now, our body actually has a higher requirement for vitamin C in winter or during the winter months, because vitamin C helps fight against infections. It helps build our immunity and our immune systems, so it literally makes our body stronger. And so how can we include these types of foods into our daily eating so we don't get ill, or it prevents us from getting the flu or the common cold as we experience it? What I have here is an orange. So you can either have the orange sliced into segments where you can have it with breakfast. It makes a lovely snack in children's lunch boxes, and it's quite easy to carry. You also have the nachi here, and and if you look at the colors, we have the deep orange deep orange in color of the orange and the nachi, the red of the tomato, the dark green beautiful patterns of the kiwi, as well as the broccoli. When it comes to eating the fruit, when you eat a whole fruit, it is so important, and it really does make a difference to eat a whole fruit versus a fruit juice. What I would definitely ask you to prevent is buying juices off the shelf, because juices are quite concentrated fruit. So if I had to squeeze this orange, it's not going to give me a glass of orange juice. It will take 3 to 4 glasses to give me a glass of orange juice. It's okay if I do it at home and if I squeeze 2 oranges for a glass of orange juice. But as soon as you go and you buy a fresh, even if it's 100% juice off the shelf, there's been preservatives added to it as well. And so it's not totally natural. It's not the same as squeezing this orange at home and drinking that juice. So that's another way of incorporating fruits of high vitamin C, fruit and veggies into your eating. Broccoli is one of the best, most nutritious, very, very high in vitamin C veggies. All you need to do is to steam it for a minute. That's it. Remove each floret and steam it for a minute. And just one more thing on fruit is to peel the fruit. What do we benefit besides the vitamins and minerals? If you look at all of this white, this fiber that you see here in the nachi as well as the orange, these strands of white are very rich in fiber. Fiber helps prevent constipation, keeps us full for a longer time, and is very, very cleansing to the body. Hopefully, you are going to increase your vitamin C intake and not develop the common cold this winter. Shukran, assalamu alaikum.